Tesla has quietly introduced a new exterior paint color for its Model S sedan and Model X SUV called Stealth Gray. Available in regions that include North America, Stealth Gray now appears on the configurator for these models as a no-cost option. Tesla has traditionally kept color palettes extremely limited to streamline production, but the new Stealth Gray, replacing the lighter Midnight Silver Metallic, arrives at a time when the EV maker has introduced several color options for its cars. That includes a variety of vinyl wraps for the cheaper Model 3 and Model Y, costing between $7,500 and $8,000, as a simpler means of offering customers more variety. Below, you can see the darker effect of Stealth Gray on the Model S when compared to the Model 3, finished here in Midnight Silver Metallic. Stealth Gray isn't as exciting as some of the vinyl wrap shades, such as Crimson Red and Forest Green, and it won't make our list of but the best new car colors of the year. That said, the dark gray hue suits the clean lines of the Model S and Model Y to a T. For an even more discreet look, the Model S and X can still be had in solid black. The other colors are Pearl White Multicoat, Deep Blue Metallic, and Ultra Red. Up until recently, most of these colors carried a surcharge of at least $1,500, but all are now included in the base price, adding even more value to a range of EVs that have seen multiple price cuts since the start of the year. That said, Tesla's wildly fluctuating prices saw the Model X Plaid get $5,000 pricier a few days ago. That's still far below its previous MSRP of over $130,000, though. Choosing a color for the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck will be even easier, simply because there are none. The electric pickup stainless steel body doesn't need to be painted, and doing so would make it more conventional. It's precisely the truck's unique finish that so many seem to be drawn to. However, Musk did previously say that customers will be able to wrap the Cybertruck in any color or pattern, an option that will likely exceed the $8,000 cost of wrapping the smaller Model Y and Model 3. The addition of a new color always excites Tesla stans, but we'd love to see an expanded palette, more wool designs, and more customizable interiors. Tesla has no trouble maintaining demand without these options, though, so if you want to precisely tailor your EV to your tastes, you're better off knocking on the doors of the Germans.